Pick one.
Settling. Lots of attitude in this one.
You got it, boss.
All right, hit it.
Keep rolling. Are we getting audio? Because I'm not hearing anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to be hearing something? She's quite famous, in fact. There's a lot of celebrities who go up to visit Esther at the now happily ever Esther. There are a lot of celebrities who go up now and it not only talks about, again, the true story about adopting what they thought was going to be a mini pig and turned into a 650-pound, lovable, butt-happy pig. Leave out butt-happy.
Great Life Cookbook, take one.
Settling, and just remember just a little bit more camera movement, Jeff. But I like the zoom in the
Yeah, Jeff. A little more camera movement,
Right,
please.
and whenever you're ready.
Okay, I think I'm ready. So what is the difference between a vegan and a whole food plant-based diet? I always want to say let's talk about that.
And close it. Still rolling. No, close it. Look, close it up. Give me the
Oh, that was it.
like, subscribe. No.
Oh yeah.
Still rolling, guys?
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry.
No, I'm asking them. We're still
Yes.
rolling? Yes.
I know. I know you're asking them, I'm answering you. I think because of my angle. So much hair. I think. Are we rolling the whole time?
Yeah, I'm gonna use that.
That was a damn good intro.
Yeah, let's do that one more time.
One of the best parts about being vegan is being embraced by the vegan community and meeting fellow vegans, meeting people, meeting like-minded people. That was much worse. Oh, hey, I just got done shopping. Want to see what I bought?
All right, you're gonna want Wonder Woman facing us more, right?
It doesn't matter, it's a reusable bag. I mean, the Wonder Woman's kind of funny, but I'll just do it again. Whoa, tripped over my own damn feet. Don't use that. So I'm gonna take my jacket off.
Yeah, I mean that one's gonna be monstrously. Oh look, his jacket's not on anymore.
Yeah, you're right. Can I take my jacket off on camera?
And your black jacket's hanging over the back of the couch too. So.
That's a sweater. That's my Mr. Rogers sweater. Oh, wait, what? Oh, he was just sleeping very soundly? Yeah, thanks. That's the whole bit.
That's the video.
That's it. Did you get it?
Well, oh, were we rolling, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it.
It's about as funny as Kevin's joke about the phone ringing. And I'll explain it to you. No, the whole thing about vegans is everyone thinks we're gonna die from a protein
got it.
deficiency. Okay. And then there's a newscast that Kevin's gonna put in there of an old 1960s Walter Cronkite kind of thing where we're gonna overdub the voice to say the first human ever to die of a protein deficiency happened, blah, blah, blah. And then we cut back to me finding out that he was just sleeping soundly.
Maybe some sort of a comment about, you know, the myth of protein deficiency with vegan diets. Just so that I have it, so that we have it.
So Kevin needs the joke explained, is what he's telling us. Some people are vegetarian first. Some people take years to go vegan. Some people go vegan overnight. I'm those people. Wasn't that hilarious?
I'm everyday people. I just see
I'm those people. And one more time.
Don't think about it too much.
I know.
Just talk to us.
I know I do better when I'm not being looked at. I'm those people. That was a good one. I forgot where I was going with this. Oh yeah, I know. Going vegan was the single best decision I ever made. I'm now the marketing director for Compassion Over Killing, including all of the education and outreach and the hardcore. That single decision all those years ago changed my life forever. So every day I come in and come up with new ways to save animals. The bet I refuse to lose has become a career that I wouldn't change for anything. Let me know what you think of this video. Comment, like, and subscribe.